Hello, art friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a rose. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start kind of in the middle, and we're going to make kind of like a little teardrop like that. Okay, it's about as big as my thumb. Well, my thumb's a little bit bigger. Then we're going to go over the teardrop and back down with a little squiggle at the end. Perfect. Then we're going to take a line down from the teardrop, and then we're going to have a line that comes from this line right here up, around, and back down like that. And I have a little room there. Then I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to come around. It's going to meet up with this line right here, and then it's going to go like that. Okay, so it kind of looks like a half heart. All right, you guys are doing great. Now I'm going to take that line, and I'm going to have a line coming down that's kind of curvy. And then over here, I'm going to have a line coming down like that. You can kind of see it starting to look like a flower. All right, then I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to come out, come back in and down, and then I'm going to have another line coming down like so. Then right here where these two lines are meeting up, I'm going to have another line come up, come around, and it's just going to line up with this part right here. All right, and there is the inside kind of petals of the rose. Now we're going to do the outer kind of petals. Okay, so we're going to start kind of a little bit down here. It's going to come out, and it's going to kind of be almost like a soft rectangle. All right, so we got that part done right there. Okay, now we're going to draw the other one right here, and it's going to come out like so. So it's kind of a nice gentle curve, and then it's going to come pointy back in and kind of curve down like that, and it's going to end about where this one does with a little gap right here. Okay, now we're going to draw a really silly shape. So it's going to start down here, it's going to come up by these things, go back down, pass by there, come up over here, and then we're going to come down here. Ooh, isn't that a fun line? Okay, so this is like a front petal. All right, now we've got another petal coming out here that's kind of like that soft squarish kind of shape. And then we've got another line that comes out here, comes down, then kind of comes back up just a little bit. Then we've got another line that comes here, meets up with that, comes back down, and then comes and meets up with this. And then we've got another line that comes out here, and it's pointy, and it comes back. Oh my gosh, it's looking like a rose. Then we've got a leaf that we're gonna put out here. Perfect. All right. And then we've got a little bitty piece here. Don't forget me. And then we've got another leaf. There we are. And then we've got another little something or other down here. And then it's gonna come around like that. And we've got another little piece that juts out. And we've got another rose here. We've got another leaf. There we go. And you know what? Your leaves can look all sorts of ways because they're organic, and they might be more jaggedy. Who knows? And we've got another little something there. And voila! It is a rose. Did I forget a little something? I'm gonna put a line there. I like that. Okay. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.